Well, good morning here. We have the 7th of the 3rd, 2025, 8 o'clock in the morning, and I thought I would share some information about Google Earth and the ability to share a track map from the Joint Typhoon Warning Center. Now, the Joint Typhoon Warning Center, I'll get rid of that there, delete him, go away. Okay. That is the for the United States Navy, Air Force, and Army in Pearl Harbor. They're based, and basically it is for the protection of the U.S. Military components, and they also share their information with our Bureau of Meteorology. Therefore, we can have a little bit of a play with it. And what does it do? It does this. Here's Alfred. Currently, I can see him on Google. Here's my home, about over here, just a bit north of Brisbane. You can put the weather on via the tick down here. That won't show if you just enable it. You have to restart Google to make it show or make it not show. Back to here. Now, this file, the Google Earth overlay, what that does is it will give a track map and tell us some speeds and stuff. So if I click it and I say open file, if you're on a mobile phone, you can download the file, and to open it you will need to share it to Google Earth. If you share it to Google Earth, it will show the track maps on your mobile phone. Okay, let's open it up, and here she blows. Okay, over on the left here we've got forecasts. He's named Alfred, and Alfred has travelled a long way. He's come from the tip of Queensland here in Australia all the way down to my home, and I'm not too sure what this bit of cloud up here is. Could be another one forming. Anyway, currently, now what we can do is if we go to the forecast on the left hand side here of the track map that we've just opened in Google Earth, I can turn all of that off. I can turn off the weather down here on the left. There we go. Now let's have a look. We can have a look at where are we? In the morning of the 7th. Well, where is it today? There he is. Let's have a look at our track map. He's there. Okie dokie. And let's have a look at some current winds he's got pumping out. As you can see, the 50 knot radius, we get a line like this, and predominantly down here at the south, but anywhere inside this area here, 100 kilometres per hour winds or thereabouts, with gusts of nastiness. It's category 2 at the moment, I believe. Okay, so that's where it's at. Where's it going? It's coming across here, so forth and so on. You can play with it and do everything you like, coming in over the land here. Let's get rid of all these things. Here we are, well, over my home, and then coming in here. It's going to track across my home. It's obviously decreasing in its power once it goes across land. So it says to me, if you're in Bribey, it's going to be a bit nasty. And everywhere south of here, which is basically where I live. So it's fairly accurate. That being said, everybody stay safe, and I hope this information can be of help to you, something to play with while we wait for Alfred to really spill his stuff over us here in southeast Queensland, northern New South Wales. So take it easy.